Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is November the 6th, 2018, and I'm going to be checking on my pansies here today. Now, I've been checking on them every day. I did see yesterday where they're starting to come up some. I'll show you here. So you can see this is the Swiss Giants here. There's one here, and there's one over here just starting to come up. There's one right there. There's some Swiss Giants coming up. There's one right there. And we do have one of the orange sun ones coming up right there. So what I'm actually going to do is, because these are coming up, this one here is starting to grow already a little straggly. Even though it just came up, that's because it's not getting any light. So I just turned one of my lights on, another one, and I'm going to be putting them under that. So I'm going to pick this tray up here, and I'm going to move it over to the light. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got done moving these, and I didn't get to put them under the light quite yet. I wanted to show you where they're coming up here at. Okay, there's one right here, and then there's another one over here, and there's more of them. I gotta find them. Oh, there's one right there. You can see it just coming up. There's one right there, and right there. This one up here, and right there. So I'm going to put these under the light. I'll come back and I'll show you when I have them under the light. Okay, so I got these at the light here. You can see how close I have them to the light. The light's right here, and I have my little seedlings right here. Now, I set these up on food trays, and as my pansies begin to grow, I will actually just switch these out for something that's lower. And I could have put the light down a little bit further for these, but I'm trying an experiment with some seeds over here, so I couldn't really take the light down too much lower. So these will continue to grow under here, and I'll come back with more videos as soon as they come out of the soil completely, because right now they're just starting to come up. As soon as they get the green leaves on them, I'll come back with another video. And this light is on for, hold on a moment. So this light's on for about 14.5 hours a day. It's on an automatic timer, and it just shuts itself off then, so I don't even have to worry about it. It's an LED light. I'll put links down below for the shop light that I use. Now I also do use the day length or daylight bulbs and the fluorescent lights. I just recently this year started experimenting with the LED lights, and I really like it. So I'm growing the pansies under that, and I'll come back with more videos as they continue to grow. Now, one thing I did do as these were germinating, I did check the soil for moisture. I did have to mist them a few times. I think I misted them about every day, because the soil just kind of felt dry to my finger. So I just took my regular squirt bottle and just misted them, and just put the black covering back on top. And I will check these quite frequently for water to make sure that they're still moist, because I don't want them to dry out. One thing with these lights is it can make your soil dry out quicker. The other ones are the same way, so definitely check on your seedlings and make sure that they're moist, because they're very unforgiving when they're this little, if they dry out, it's going to really harm them. So we don't want to harm our seedlings or have them die on us because they got too dry. And an important thing that you want to remember when growing seedlings under lights is that your plant does not touch the light bulb, because it will actually burn it. The light bulb will burn your foliage of your plants. So that's one thing you want to keep an eye on. Now, these are still really small, so I don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to watch to make sure that they're not stretching for the light, to make sure that I have them close enough. And then, you know, if I see them starting to stretch for the light, I'll put like another thing under here to raise it up further. So my rule is, what I do is, if I see the seedlings getting close to the light, I'll actually either move the light up a chain, or I'll rework this whole setup down here to lower it down some, because seedlings can grow pretty quick. So it's something you want to keep an eye on to make sure that you don't burn them, because once you burn them, if there's not enough for it to grow back, it's going to damage the seedling, and we don't want that to happen. So just keep an eye on them as they're growing. So it's now November the 7th, 2018, and I wanted to show you a quick update here on the pansies. They did push the seed coating off, and you can see they have the little leaves there, and there's one back there. There's still more pansies coming up. They're under the light here, you can't see them too good, but I just wanted to show you that real quick. So that's why it's important to get them under the light, so you can see how they stayed nice and stocky for me instead of getting tall and leggy. So I have one over here. Some of these didn't quite push the seed coating off yet. You can see it right there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.